In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and find dashboards in Jira Cloud. If you want a clear way to track sprint progress, monitor bug counts, or present team performance to stakeholders, dashboards are one of the most useful tools in Jira. They give you a visual overview of the work that matters all in one place. So instead of digging through issue lists, you can quickly spot trends, blockers, and overall progress. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once the main Jira homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is important, especially if you have access to multiple sites, because dashboards are tied to the specific Jira environment you're currently using. Next, look across the top navigation bar. This header is where Jira keeps many of its main navigation options. Find the menu labeled Dashboards and click it once. This opens a drop-down menu with shortcuts to dashboard-related options. If the dashboard you need is already pinned or recently accessed, you may see it listed right there in the menu. If not, go to the bottom of that dropdown and select View All Dashboards. This takes you to the full dashboard directory, where you can browse every dashboard available to you. Once the dashboard directory opens, head over to the search area on the left side. Click into the Search Dashboards field and type keywords from the dashboard name you're looking for. For example, you might search for something like a sprint name, a team name, or a reporting label. As you type, Jira filters the list so you can find the right dashboard faster without manually scrolling through everything. When you see the dashboard you want, click its title to open it. There's also a faster method if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Make sure your cursor is not active inside a text box, then press the / key or the period key to open Jira's command palette site. In the search box that appears, type dashboard followed by the name of the dashboard you want. Press enter and Jira will take you directly to it. This is a great shortcut if you already know the dashboard name and want to move quickly. After the dashboard opens, spend a few seconds checking the layout. Make sure your charts, sprint reports, issue tables, and other gadgets are loading correctly and displaying clearly. This quick review helps ensure the dashboard is ready for daily use, team meetings, or stakeholder updates. And that's it. You now know how to access, search for, and open dashboards in Jira Cloud quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next